morning, students. Now we are meeting again in our virtual class after a long time. Your half yearly exams are over now. Let us start our second term syllabus in our virtual class. Today, firstly, I will tell you about your second term syllabus. Our lesson 1 to 6 we have covered in our first half, and now in our second half we will cover lesson 7 to 13. Today we will start with our lesson 7. The topic of our lesson is the works we do. In this topic, we will discuss about occupations. Now, here is question that what is an occupation? Dear students, any work which is done to earn money is called an occupation. An occupation is that work which is undertaken to earn livelihood, means which is done to earn money to fulfill our requirements. In school, you always enjoy in participating various activities like drawing, painting, paper folding, singing, dancing, playing, toy making, pot painting, etc. I think activity period is all-time favorite period of children in school. All these activities give fun and basic knowledge about some work that you may take up as an occupation later on. People take up different occupations when they grow up. Some people choose an occupation related with their favorite childhood activity which they like in their childhood. They follow that as an occupation later. Some people like the occupation of their parents and follow that when they grow up. Many people choose their occupation on the basis of some special skills which they have. In same way, many people choose their occupation according to their educational qualifications or the educational training which they have done, such as doctor, teacher, engineer, painter, singer, designer, joining the army, etc. Means some depend on their choice, their activity. Some follow the occupation of their parents. Some are based on special skills and some are related to their educational qualification or training. It also depends upon the availability of some raw material and the type of landform where they live. There are different types of occupations: skilled, unskilled, and professional. For skilled occupation, people need some skills related to that. Like they learn that skill by their family members or observing others with their interest. For example, electrician, barber, plumber, tailor, driver, painter. People can learn these skills by their own interest and by observing the other person or any of their family member. Second is unskilled. For this occupation, not only special skill is required, people can learn it only by doing. For example, rickshaw puller, vegetable seller, farmer, woodcutter, etc. No any kind of a skill or training is required for this. Next is professional. This type of occupation requires special educational qualification and training. For example, doctor, teacher, engineer, pilot, scientist, etc. They need educational qualification and training both. Next we will do in our next class. Thank you.